I'm Athena. I'm a drug discovery project leader at AQEMIA. I'm a biologist by training. I have a PhD in molecular biology from Princeton University, where I spent more than 5 years studying metabolism. I'm Chinese, but I was working and living in the US before for 7-8 years. I moved to Paris last year to join AQEMIA, so you can probably tell that I really don't want to settle down. I've always been passionate about healthcare. Beyond my academic training, I've always wanted to gain more industrial exposure, especially early on in my career. I do believe that AQEMIA is at its unique position to translate cutting-edge science and technology to solve real-world drug discovery problems. And I also believe that with my professional and educational background, I will be able to, as a project leader, contribute and learn at AQEMIA. Actually, the work at AQEMIA is very dynamic and evolves every day. It really requires a certain level of agility and flexibility. That's why, as a project leader at AQEMIA, it's not enough to follow the set path and only work on the design, KPIs, and matrix. It really requires the project leader to always have a global, strategic view on the portfolio and to be willing to challenge the status quo or even make bold decisions. For example, for my first project, I actually asked to pause the project only 3 weeks after we started the project because of some business consideration. Decision-making is always complicated, and to discontinue something actually requires more courage and adaptability than to continue something, but this is really what we're looking for at AQEMIA. To me, the challenge is also the fun part at AQEMIA. As you can probably imagine, even if we have great technology that helps us to win over big industrial partners like Sanofi, it is very hard to translate complicated biology into programming language. That's why, as a project leader, it is not enough to just rush the project forward. It's also critical to make sure that the project moves alongside our technology to build a positive feedback loop and always improve our technology with the newly generated insight from the project. It is not easy. However, this is the shared objective for everyone at AQEMIA. And it's very fulfilling and gives a sense of honor when you see so many people around you moving toward in the same direction.